Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Public folders in Outlook 365 are a common question. Many users wonder if these shared information repositories still exist in the cloud environment. The simple answer is yes, public folders are still very much a part of Outlook 365, especially for organizations that have used them for years. They allow teams to share various types of information, like calendars, contacts, tasks, and important email messages, in a central location accessible to multiple users. To find and access your public folders, you must use the Outlook desktop application. They are not fully supported in the Outlook web app (VOA) or mobile versions for direct browsing, though some favorited content might sync. Open your Outlook desktop client. Look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You might see a small folder icon, or 3 dots. Click these dots, then select to Folders, or press Ctrl+6 on your keyboard to switch to the folder list view. In this view, you will see a section labeled Public Folders. Expand this section. Next, expand All Public Folders. You can now navigate through the hierarchy your organization has set up. Remember, your access depends entirely on the specific permissions granted to you by your IT administrator. If you cannot see the Public Folders section at all, it indicates your organization either doesn't utilize them, or you lack the necessary permissions to access any. While public folders are an older technology, they remain functional for many businesses within Outlook 365. Modern alternatives like Microsoft 365 Groups or SharePoint Online are often preferred for new shared workspaces.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.